friends, welcome to Little Learner English channel. Today we are going to learn about introduction of noun. A noun is a word that is used for talking about a person or thing. Nouns are sometimes called naming words because they are often the name of people, places, things and ideas. Example: park, bird. Nouns are divided into two types: common noun and proper noun. Common nouns use common words to represent. Example: town, park. Proper nouns use uncommon words to represent. Example: town of city, water, park. Thank you friends. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.